In the rapidly evolving field of artificial intelligence, AI, Google's latest innovation, Med-Gemini, is making waves in the medical community. Released in 2024, Med-Gemini is a state-of-the-art AI designed to revolutionize healthcare by providing unprecedented accuracy and efficiency in diagnostics, treatment planning, and patient care. Before we move forward, please take a second to subscribe to our channel, Unveiling Med-Gemini, a leap forward in medical AI. Google's Med-Gemini is built upon the robust foundation of its predecessor, MedPalm, but it takes the capabilities of medical AI to an entirely new level. Leveraging the latest advancements in machine learning, natural language processing, NLP, and big data analytics, Med-Gemini is equipped to handle a wide range of medical tasks with remarkable precision. Enhanced diagnostic accuracy. One of the most striking features of Med-Gemini is its diagnostic accuracy. Traditional diagnostic methods often rely on a combination of medical imaging, laboratory tests, and clinical evaluations. However, these methods can sometimes lead to misdiagnoses due to human error or limitations in data interpretation. Med-Gemini addresses this issue by utilizing advanced algorithms that can analyze vast amounts of medical data in real time. For instance, Med-Gemini's ability to interpret complex medical images, such as MRI and CT scans, surpasses that of human radiologists. By comparing patient images to millions of similar cases stored in its extensive database, Med-Gemini can identify subtle abnormalities that might be overlooked by even the most experienced professionals. This capability significantly enhances the early detection of conditions such as cancer, cardiovascular diseases, and neurological disorders. Personalized treatment plans. In addition to its diagnostic prowess, Med-Gemini excels in creating personalized treatment plans. By integrating patient history, genetic information, lifestyle factors, and current medical research, the AI can recommend tailored treatment strategies that maximize efficacy and minimize side effects. This individualized approach is particularly beneficial for managing chronic diseases like diabetes, hypertension, and asthma, where treatment needs to be continuously adjusted based on patient responses. Med-Gemini's ability to synthesize vast amounts of data ensures that treatment plans are not only personalized, but also aligned with the latest medical guidelines and research findings. This dynamic updating of treatment protocols ensures that patients receive the most up-to-date and effective care possible. Transforming clinical workflows. The integration of Med-Gemini into clinical workflows is transforming the day-to-day operations of healthcare facilities. By automating routine tasks and providing decision support, the AI allows healthcare professionals to focus more on patient care and less on administrative duties. Streamlined administrative tasks. Administrative tasks such as medical coding, billing, and documentation often consume a significant portion of healthcare providers' time. Med-Gemini automates these processes by accurately interpreting and categorizing clinical notes, generating detailed reports, and even handling insurance claims. This automation not only reduces the administrative burden on healthcare staff, but also minimizes errors and improves the efficiency of healthcare delivery. Decision support for clinicians. Med-Gemini acts as a powerful decision support tool for clinicians. During patient consultations, doctors can input symptoms and medical history into the system, which then provides a list of potential diagnoses ranked by probability. This assists doctors in making more informed decisions and reduces the risk of diagnostic errors. Moreover, Med-Gemini can analyze ongoing treatments and alert doctors to any potential drug interactions or contraindications based on the patient's medical history and current medications. This proactive approach enhances patient safety and ensures that treatment regimens are optimized for each individual's needs. Impact on medical research. Med-Gemini's influence extends beyond clinical practice into the realm of medical research. Its ability to process and analyze massive data sets accelerates the pace of research and opens new avenues for scientific discovery. Accelerating drug development. The drug development process is notoriously time-consuming and expensive, often taking years and billions of dollars to bring a new drug to market. Med-Gemini streamlines this process by analyzing biological data, predicting molecular interactions, and identifying potential drug candidates with higher accuracy and speed than traditional methods. For example, Med-Gemini can sift through genomic data to identify genetic markers associated with specific diseases. This information can then be used to develop targeted therapies that are more effective and have fewer side effects. Additionally, the AI can simulate clinical trials and predict outcomes, helping researchers design more efficient and effective studies. Advancing genomic medicine. Genomic medicine, which involves tailoring medical treatment to an individual's genetic makeup, is another area where Med-Gemini excels. By analyzing patients' genetic information alongside clinical data, the AI can identify genetic mutations that may predispose individuals to certain diseases. This allows for early intervention and preventive measures, ultimately improving patient outcomes. Med-Gemini's capabilities in genomic medicine extend to the identification of rare genetic disorders, which are often difficult to diagnose using conventional methods. The AI's ability to detect these conditions early can lead to timely and appropriate interventions, significantly improving the quality of life for affected individuals. The future of Med-Gemini. The future of Med-Gemini looks promising as Google continues to refine and expand its capabilities. Several key areas of development are poised to enhance its impact on healthcare further. Integration with wearable technology. One exciting avenue is the integration of Med-Gemini with wearable health technology. Devices such as smartwatches and fitness trackers can provide continuous, real-time health data, which Med-Gemini can analyze to offer proactive health recommendations. For example, the AI can alert individuals to potential health issues before they become symptomatic, enabling early intervention and prevention. Expansion into global health. Med-Gemini's potential to improve healthcare extends beyond developed countries. By leveraging cloud-based infrastructure, the AI can be deployed in remote and underserved areas with limited access to medical resources. This democratization of advanced medical technology can bridge healthcare disparities and improve outcomes for populations worldwide. Collaborative research networks. Google envisions Med-Gemini as a collaborative tool that can connect researchers and healthcare providers globally. By sharing anonymized patient data and research findings, the AI can facilitate collaborative studies and accelerate the dissemination of medical knowledge. This global network can drive innovation and improve healthcare standards universally. By harnessing the power of advanced machine learning and big data analytics, Med-Gemini is poised to revolutionize healthcare and improve patient outcomes worldwide. As it continues to evolve and integrate with emerging technologies, Med-Gemini stands at the forefront of a new era in medicine. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to our channel.